Clearbrow, North Dallas, 718 Spyder, custom color by this gentleman, and it's Oso something, not Oso Boko like the food, but I can't remember the full name, sorry. So either way, beautiful color. It's not Miami blue, so apparently it's a heritage, it's from the Heritage series of Porsche. It was used in one of their older cars back in the day. So anyway, there's a little history on the color if people were wondering if they could get it. It's a custom color. So what we did is XPEL Ultimate Plus full wrap with a 5-year ceramic over the bra. And that's about it. The goal on this, like always, is wrapping all the edges. And that's not a problem with the Porsche series for us. You know, we'll come back here, example to the Speedster looking trunk lid. Just getting all that wrapped in. No big deal. Taking this rear stoplight bar out so we can go all the way under. So the bra is actually right up against the holes where the screws and the wires go. So, and we just hit it with the ceramic on top of the shine of the paint protection film. I mean, it's just absolutely glossy and slick. Went over everything, all the plastic, all the lights. Everything just looks fantastic on it. Everything got wrapped in. All these little cracks, all up in here, all around the vent, all behind the wheels. Of course, inside all our doors, inside our quarter to the front area. On this 8-pillar, so the top goes up and we wrap all the way inside here, and then it's wrapped all the way to the rubber, so there's no gap. Everything's all wrapped in. So, and then we ceramic coat the glass, mirrors all done in one piece. Hood, obviously one section, all wrapped in right behind here. The bra actually covers that little tip right there. And around this fender, I'll flare out a little bit, we come all the way around that. So we come all the way around that fender, we'll cover those tips, that tip. So it's just about, it's artwork. Some people laugh at that, but it truly is. If you don't get it right, you scrap it and try it again. But we're pretty good at it. We can get it usually the first time around. When these come out, everything rolls in, everything rolls underneath. All those wheel wells are covered. Just a great car, great color. This thing's pretty cool. 4.0. Obviously the emblems come out. Everything goes underneath that, so we have no lines around it. The bumpers are fun to do. Front and rear bumpers on these are fun, but they look great. No marks. We don't want any lift marks, adhesive marks. Everything's nice and clear. So just nice and swift. Understanding how that film works is how you get this look. Respecting that product will get you the best look. All these come out. The headlight washers, so we have a nice clean circumference around that. And then coming over to the gas lid there, all wrapped in. Let's get up tight on that. All wrapped in. Again, on this side, all wrapped in. I'm telling you, not everybody wraps all their edges. I get cars in here often enough, and it really kills the life of the film because those edges are gonna fray. So, but there it is, folks. 718 Spyder. Great looking car, I love it. Manual convertible top, and there we are flaring out for it. But there it is. Gentleman's gonna come pick it up. He loves it. He's a Porsche owner. He's had GT3s and Carrera S's and all that stuff. So this is what he chose this time around. Always gets the same type of color. But there it is. And then later, I'm gonna go over this guy, a Mercedes E63S, I believe. Yeah, E63S wagon. So that's a full wrap, almost done, fully done. The paint, we're just doing the black application and all the gloss. And I got to get this carbon fiber down below. And that's about it. Just 2 or 3 more pieces, and it's done. So very cool car right here. Haven't seen one of these in a while. And then later on we'll finish up with this M3 Beamer, and then go over to the 2 Vets over there. We'll finish up and get some more stuff in here tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys watching our channel, clearbrownnorthdallas.com if you have any questions. If you need to reach me, it's 940-999-6131, 940-703-8301, 214-414-3809, and there's two other ones I don't remember, but plenty of ways to get a hold of us. If I don't get you right away, leave a message. People aren't leaving messages and then they get upset because I don't call them back because I don't have a message. Trust me, if you leave a message, I'll get back to you. So I don't delay that long. So I apologize if there's some people I don't get back to right away. So thanks a lot. I'm Brent. clearbrownnorthdallas.com if you need anything. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.